Hey, what's up? This is Khalid here for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to make or create different particles for your TV commercials. So let's start. First, create a new composition and write here your final com. Then make HD 29 frame per second and make 5 seconds. Click OK. So after this, double click, go to your source file. I need to make about the juice. Select this one, hold Ctrl, select these three. So if you need to use for background this blue sky, select these five important images. Click import. And now select the juice bottle and set the center of the composition. Make full and title action save area. Press S for scale control, scale down the size. And next, make lock. Right click, create a new light. Right here in matter. It's very important if you need to use particular with light. Click OK. And now select this light, go to up, right, up, right, up. And now time to make animate. Press P for the position. Stopwatch. If you need to make animation for the light, I know it's very difficult. Go to second 2 and move your light like this, and go to second, set this one to second 1, go to second 2, and next move it like this, and go back to second 3, and move like this, and go to second 4, and move like this, go to second 5, and move like this. Okay, and now you must make curve for these directions. How to make curve? Go to pen tool, select the convert Thursdays, hold Alt key for the shortcuts. So and now if you need to use convert vertex, don't use the shortcut. Make curve. It's very easy to use. Or make curve. Set here, set up there, and set right there, and set down here. Okay guys, and now time to apply what? Particular. Right click, go to new, solid. Right here, particular. Enter, go to effects, go to RG Trapcode particular. If you need to download particular plugin for After Effects, you can find the link into video description of YouTube. Click here, particular. Don't forget, like, subscribe the channel, and don't forget, follow my Patreon account. You can find the link in the video description to download particular plugin. Okay guys, after applying the particular on solid, so you must go to first emitter, click here to expand, and go to emitter type, select the light. And now play, take a look. Over there, the particles come and going to behind of the bottle and gone. So, and now I need to label this setting velocity, select the velocity, make velocity 25 and set other one to 0, 0, 0. Set all of them 0. Change of velocity 10. Let's see. So set this emitter size into 50. Good. Set 150. Not bad. Okay guys, and now go back to particles. So I need to apply particles instead of these white dots. I need to apply this slice orange, this PNG image. So how to do this? Create a new composition and right here, icons, stickers, fruits, set 100 pixels, 100 pixels. I have two different image. Don't forget, set to frame. Click OK. So next, select the orange and set to center and press S. Scale down the size. First step, trim your layer and select another one. Set here, press S, scale down the size like this, and cut. And now go back to your final comp and select the icons and turn on, press F4, turn on the 3D switch, turn off your composition, select the particles, go back to effects control, and don't forget, save your project, increment and save. Yep, I need to save into, yes, here, juice. Go to particle type, select the sprite, and go to sprite control, select the icons composition, random still frames, and next, play now. Here you can see. Okay, guys, um, let's find the size, make first random size, and make a little bit big size. So what's next? I need to use the leaves. So go back to your project, double click, select this leaves too, and sit here and press Ctrl plus K and make one frame more and set the leaf right there and cut, press S, scale down the size and go back to final. Let's see, play again. So there you can find some leaves. So I can't see. Let's um select, delete this one, select Ctrl plus D to duplicate, make a duplicate. Let's see again. And now looks great. Okay guys, so select again the particle and go back to particular. The first important part is overlay. Click on presets, select the first one preset is better, apply. Go to opacity overlay and click on presets. Select the first one, click apply. And next, don't forget, turn on the rotation. Rotation is very important for the particles like this. So let's find where is the rotation. Turn on the rotation. Make the rotation 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Great. Let's test once. Press space and wait. But the rotation is too fast. Set 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. By using 1 and tap key on keyboard. Press tab and enter in final. So great. So and now time to make mask for this part of the bottle. Create another new solid by pressing Ctrl plus Y on keyboard and right here mask. Set the mask color red. Click OK. Turn off. Find the particle cross part. Select the pen tool and zoom in, zoom in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish. Yep, not bad. 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game's over. Okay. Okay, guys. Select turn on the mask. Oh, so sorry. So sorry. You must draw or you must use the pen tool on your solid to make mask like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Finish, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, yeah. Finish now. Okay. And now turn on again. Press F4 to turn on the track mat. Select the particular and turn on this one. So what's wrong? What's wrong? Turn off again. So select no matter. Select the particular, select the mask, and select this part. Okay, guys. And now let's play again. Press the space. Great. 1, 2. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, guys, let's change the size of our life. Let's select another different. Smooth, select this one. Apply. And let's find opacity over life. Where is the opacity over life? Opacity over life. Where is opacity over life? Select by going to use presets and select this one. Center, take, press. Great. One important thing, go to glasses, change this one to 1, 3, 2. Let's see the result and change emitter XYZ into 230. And let's play again. Great. And now let's use for the background, select the beautiful blue sky, drop here and press S to scale down the size. Press S, scale down the size. Not bad. Set right there, right there. And go to select this, press S, scale up the size and set right there. Okay, guys, take a look. Select the full quality and play again. Great. And select again the particular. Go to effects control and change the particle size into 16. Like this. Not bad. Let's play again. Nice work. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to use PNG image to make particle motion design for your brand. Don't forget, like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.